Okay, folks, back in the day, this show was over probably 2 miles long. And like I said, they had about 2 or 3 blocks of antique and historic race cars. Oh, here's a cool old Buick, stage 1. So I don't think it's, so we'll see when we get over the hill how far down it goes. I'll come out and do a separate video on this, and this is a nice car.
It's just different.
Well, we got one here just for sale. Get a bit of a walk around of it. It's got a small block Chevy in it. Hope you guys can see that. It's a heck of a glare. I can't really, I don't see yeah, there's the phone number. All right, we got music playing, so I got to head on. Can't do the music. Oh man, look at this Barracuda. Non-judge clip car, 1969 drop top. Nice. I always like these cars. It's one of my favorites. Parted out one of these things. You went back in my early days when I was just getting into parting out cars. It's convertible. What do we got here? Graham. Man, this thing was a beauty. Good Lord. 1931 Graham out of Apex, North Carolina. Wow, look at this thing. Hope you guys can hear me. There's a lot of wind out here and they're playing the music. Pulling back and get a look at this. Look at the roof. The roof has got the, it's not a metal roof. I guess you'd call that canvas. I count 6 sparkers. Flathead 6. There's your interior. Oh my goodness, here we go. Satellite. Man, I have never seen this car before. Wow. Street strip car too. It's got slicks on it. It's got your charging lugs and your battery cut off. It's got a roll cage in it. My kind of car right here, folks. You only live once. Air shifter. Oh my goodness. 66 Satellite.
This ain't a lot. That's the winner.
This is the show I'm at right here, folks. I'm sorry, that's the wrong date. So this is the show I'm at. It's just not the right. It's not the right flyer for it. What this is called one best of show. I see 2017. That's what it is. This is a good show here, the Mega Mopar at Rockingham. Been there many times. Glass hood. Nosy on there. We got a Hemi car here. That's the 426 style Hemi, distributor in the front. The earlier Hemis had distributor in the back, if you'll notice. And it's nice. music playing, so I'm not going to be able to monetize this video, guys. I'll just post it. Oh man, check out this one, baby blue Tri-5. Two-tone. It's nice. Nice car. Nice looking old Rally Sport. 68. We'll get the other side here in a little bit. We're going to walk down this way. This is a nice looking convertible. Might be a Survivor. Saw a few little dings and dents on it. A little spot of rust. It's probably a Survivor. I think that's Pitbull. They're playing Pitbull music. Pitbull's a cool dude, guys. I like Pitbull. Oh man, I got a 70 Roadrunner. When I was a younger man, there was one of these in a local junkyard. The motor was blown up in it, just exactly like this, yellow with the black hood. I tried my best to get my dad to buy that car. That car was in great shape, just didn't have an engine in it, just sitting there with an excellent body and interior. This was about probably 1980. Gas was a whopping $1.35 then, which would be about like $4 a gallon now. I was probably 17, 18 years old, so. And even back then, people complained you can't get Mopar parts. Yet somehow these Mopar guys manage to find Mopar parts. And I always get riffed when I hear people say that. You're not going to go to get them in O'Reilly's if that's what you're thinking. Alright, let's mosey on down. Street rods. You love street rods? There's been quite a few up here at this show. Always a lot of Tri-5s up here. Nice old GMC Jimmy here. We're going to look at this. I don't see too many of these anymore. Ooh, Chevelle, what is that, 69? Yep, 69 Chevelle. It's 4-speed. Yeah, we won't be monetizing this video. The music, this is a freebie for you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. So we'll let you have this for free. Won't be no commercials on it. I don't think there'll be no commercials on it. If there is, I ain't getting paid. So just enjoy the cars, folks. And they call it a Super Sport. Be fine. Check this one out. Oh, look at this. Is that the overflow? What is that? That's neat. Never seen that before. Nice. Stretched out, whatever it is. It's not a Maryland. There's a little V6 in it. Oh, it's got two V. Oh my God, look at that. Two V6s. That is something else right there, folks. Not one, but two linked together. Oh, I love the old Impalas. There's too many folks standing around that one. Oh, check this out. You get the wood grain down this one. The fake wood grain, but still cool. Oh man, that is a beautiful truck. I'm not really into the lowered look I used to be. Had one that was lowered and handled it way better than it did when it wasn't lowered, but it just hit everything in the road.
I said this guy. Right. Told you we got the only car. He's all right.
I've seen the Lincoln. I'm getting ready to walk up on the Lincoln. I've seen the Lincoln up here before. This is a what we got, a 65. There's the quad cab Lincoln. Beautiful car. Oh, the lime green Duster. 340 car. Old 340 is a giant killer. He hurt many a big block back in the day. 444. Wow. Check out that. That was neat way to do the striking on that. 56 Chevy. Oh yeah, they're way on down there. I don't think they go quite as far as they used to. It's about 6 or 8 blocks less than it has been in the past. T-bucket. I'm going to turn you off for just a second here while we navigate our way through the vendors.